We're back. Let's take outside. Yeah. Hey, what's up? We all like this stuff. Hey, we all like this stuff. Look at that. You like this one? There you go. Be safe. I love you. All right, guys, we got the whole kitchen stocked up in case this one takes a while. We got water, chips, vegetables, fruits, canned foods, a little bit of everything. Well, man, I'm a little bit nervous. I'm hoping this one doesn't take several days to pass by. If it does, we might just miss our flight going back home to LA. We might get stuck here. But hopefully, it goes by real quick.
Please, don't forget that they can help you this week. That is the habit.
Oh, the train thinking about a problem.
Don't trust everyone.
Everything's safe. This one was about to hit, and we were all a little bit scared, so we decided to go to the
Whatever happened, guys, please do not open the doors.